Hi everyone, today we are going to take a look at the 3 best air fryer toaster oven combos in the market. We'll talk about what you should look for before buying air fryer toaster oven combos. You can find timestamps and links to order the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. At number 3. Iconites 20-quart 10-in-1 air fryer oven. Offers 10-in-1 versatility at a great price point. It's a spacious 20-quart unit that can be used even to cook whole birds for special occasions. The varied options include air fryer, rotisserie, dehydrator, pizza grill, and oven toaster. It comes with 10 preset options for super easy use. Includes 13 accessories such as a skewer rotisserie, fry net basket, rotating basket, drip tray, fetch rack, dehydrating racks, chicken fork, and even oven mitts. Easy to clean dishwasher safe parts. Great price for an option that can do it all. Not great for small spaces. At number 2. COSORI Smart 12-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. Smart versatility with 12 preset functions including a rotisserie, rehydrate, pizza, roast, air fry, toast, bagel, bake, broil, cookies, and ferment. Perfect oven for tech lovers because it can connect to your smartphone and be controlled remotely through it. Adjust temperature and time, control the oven light and convection fan, monitor cooking, receive notifications, and use to voice control. Big enough to fit a 13-inch pizza. Compatible with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi option for tech lovers. Can be a bit slow. At number 1. Ninja SP101 Foodi 8-in-1 Air Fryer Toaster Oven. The perfect and ultimate meal maker. Extremely versatile with its 8-in-1 functionality. It can air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm all types of foods. It's also super compact so it won't clutter your counter space and works for all kitchen sizes. The extra large capacity means it has a 45% larger usable pan cooking area versus competitors. Large enough to fit a 13-inch pizza. Cooks up to 60% faster than traditional ovens and is easy to clean. Maximum versatility in a compact appliance. Won't fit a whole bird, even a small chicken. Thanks for watching. For more details follow the links given below in the description section, and if you are new here please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.